In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix video processing delays in YouTube Studio. So if you're uploading the video and the processing is taking much time, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you can do is simply wait it out. YouTube creates multiple versions of your video at different resolutions. Low resolution versions usually finish first, while high resolution versions can take several hours depending on the video's length and complexity. So simply wait for a while and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with your network. So what you have to do is make sure you're connected to a strong network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if you want. Now after you do that too, if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply use the description refresh. Sometimes making a minor edit to the video's metadata, such as adding a word to the description and saving, can nudge the system to update the processing status. So for that, what you have to do is click on the video that is processing right now. Now after you do that, you'll be able to edit that video. So what you have to do is click on the description. Now simply add the word or erase the word. Now once you do that, what you have to do is click on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now your processing will be updated. Now this might solve your problem. For a faster processing, what you have to do is make sure you're using the MP4 format of the videos. Also make sure to compress the large files. If the file size of the video is too large, the processing might take hours. So make sure to compress it. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Now after you do all that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix video processing delays in YouTube Studio. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.